So the question is, in between the repo rate and the reverse repo rate, how does it work? How does it work? So let us take an example. And what example? Let's say there is a bank called XYZ, and that bank XYZ needs liquidity, needs more money. And for more money, what the bank will do, bank has got certain securities lying with the bank. So bank will sell these securities temporarily to RBI, and it will sell these securities to RBI at the repo rate. So the rate at which it will sell to RBI is going to be at the repo rate. That means uh, for buying these securities, the Reserve Bank of India is going to give cash to the bank, and what they will charge, they will charge repo rate. So what is going to be the repo rate in this case? So the repo rate in this case is going to be, let's say, 4 point, I one will have to check as to what the exact repo rate is today, but let's say it is 4.25. Meaning what? Meaning Reserve Bank of India will charge interest on these securities which Reserve Bank of India has purchased. Uh, on the value, Reserve Bank of India will charge interest at the rate of 4.25 for the given period for which these securities have been purchased by XYZ bank. Now, when this bank XYZ will sell these securities, the XYZ bank will enter into a repo, enter into a contract that is known as repo, and the repo full form is ready forward. And what this ready forward contract is, this ready forward contract is XYZ is taking an obligation or promising an obligation to Reserve Bank of India कि 7 दिन के बाद, after 7 days or 10 days or 15 days or 12 days or 3 days, XYZ will purchase back these securities from the bank, right? And that means what? That means at that point, XYZ will receive the securities back from the Reserve Bank of India and pay the money that it had taken from Reserve Bank of India. So that is your repo transaction. That is your repo transaction. Does it make sense to you, sir?
सर ये अभी रेट कितना होगा? ये तो 4.5
हाँ
4.2 था.
हाँ, 4.25 था ना, तो
हाँ अभी
अब कोई रेट नहीं होगा इसमें। ये जो पहला ट्रांजैक्शन है, ये इसमें जो XYZ है, जो बैंक है, बैंक ने ये पैसे, ये सिक्योरिटीज सेल किए टू RBI फॉर 7 days, and let's say the amount is 1000 crore. I'm just taking hypothetically. So what XYZ will do, XYZ will pay to RBI interest at the rate of 4.25% on 1000 crore for a period of 7 days. क्यों? क्योंकि XYZ has used the money
अच्छा
by taking it from Reserve Bank of India. और 7 दिन के बाद वो क्या करेंगे? 7 दिन के बाद वो रेडी फॉरवर्ड है, तो 7 दिन के बाद वो जो सिक्योरिटीज़ उन्होंने बेची हैं RBI को, वो सिक्योरिटी वापस ले लेंगे, और जो उन्होंने ये 1000 करोड़ का जो लोन लिया है, वो लोन जो कैश लिया है, वो कैश RBI को वापस कर देंगे टुगेदर विद इंटरेस्ट एट द रेट ऑफ 4.25%.